After you've had your tank sprayer for a few years, the valve right here on the sprayer might start to stick. So this is what would happen. If you notice, I'm spraying, but as I let go of the valve, it still sprays. It takes a while for that valve to close, and that's because it's starting to get gummy in there. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So the first thing I'm going to do is let the pressure out of my tank sprayer, and I just have water in here right now. And then you unscrew this little piece right here that's on the underside of your valve. And inside, be careful when you do this, inside there can be some small pieces. So there's usually going to be a spring of some sort, which I'm going to take out, and you're going to kind of have to screw it out. And down inside here is where the actual valve is. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to lubricate the valve using some petroleum jelly. Now, if you notice, I don't have a big container of petroleum jelly here because this is pesticides. And I don't want to get pesticides into the petroleum jelly I might use for something else. So I transferred some of it into this bag so that I wouldn't waste the whole container. So I'm going to take it, put it on my finger, and just go ahead. I'm going to depress the trigger and go ahead and try and just get some in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the spring back in, and that'll kind of push it all back into push it in there. Put this, put the cap back on. And now I'm just going to go ahead and exercise the valve a little bit because I have to get the petroleum jelly into, it has to work itself in. So now that we're done exercising this valve and kind of pulling the petroleum jelly into the working parts so that it lubricates it, let's go ahead and repressurize our sprayer. And now it turns off as I let go of the trigger. So you might have to do that every couple of years as the petroleum jelly wears out or gets sprayed out the end, but that's how you can revitalize your sprayer valves.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.